Martian approach.
Hey, this is Dulles Approach Control. We're tracking a fast-moving primary heading towards the White House. The White House has been advised.
All right, I'll tell him.
Change.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll keep you advised.
Thank you very much.
234-020, ground.
Hey, Tower, did you see that?
Hello?
Crystal City, just north of Crystal City.
Just to the north of your tower.
Just big.
Give that.
Do you hear me?
Yeah, stop all departures.
Stop all.
Yeah, went in the Pentagon. Looks like it went in the Pentagon.
Well, we got a plane down. It looks like it's the Crystal City area by 14 Street Woods. We all responded. Where?
Okay, we have a report.
Rescue Engine 335, Rocket.
Rescue Engine 335.
You aware of the explosion?
Yes, we're aware of the explosion. We heard that it was a plane down. Can you confirm?
We're not positive, but we are responding from supposedly the area of the 14th Street Bridge.
Engine 101, did it crash over in the area of the Pentagon? Is that correct?
Well, we're going to need confirmation on the location.
Engine 108, we have a report of a plane crash somewhere in the area of the Pentagon. We're trying to get further. I need you to go over to 1 David.
1-1 responding from 1 David. Confirm plane down. 14th Street Bridge area. 1-1 Dodge, we saw it go down.
Engine 101, saw it go down.
Up 105 is on the